part 2 of the adventures. I want to show you something which is in front of me. Whoa, I nearly fell on one of those stones. Could be dangerous. The stairs. I'm gonna show you a fast way to do it. Let's go. Oh, here we are. I'm here. I'm at the outpost. The outpost over there. Find myself to sit. Ooh, game. I wonder what this does. Oh, what's this? I was gonna get one of these, but I don't want to play again. We fast forward. Sorry, I forgot to mention me having some snacks. But anyways, I bet don't want to even see that anyways. Here's some things. A turtle. It looks like. And something only for the zookeepers can go on. You can go. Ooh, a chair. Why is everyone so stand? There's a deer over there. There's a deer. I wonder what it's doing. That's a new one. That's a different one. You're back on the move. Back on the move. Why is there a thin line over here? Just a entry, but I don't think the things here will even listen at all. Let's just continue. And here's the map. And here it is. I can see a turtle. Do you? Oh. Ooh, what's this? Tiger award. Tiger award. Tiger award. Tiger award. Tiger award. Tiger award. We're now continuing. I don't know where we're going to. It's going to land soon. I'll show you another part. I'll continue. Ooh, what's that? Well, unfortunately, there's only a 3-minute limit for each short, so I'll make another part. Bye bye.